move to 2.8 to discuss how to use nodes in use case diagram. We have learned nodes in sequence diagram already. So here we will learn 4 keywords: node, left of, right of, top of, bottom of. Within sequence diagram, we have used the left of, right of to our actor or to our message, to a participant, and node left will be attached to the message. So, but here is we have all the 4 the direction of. We will use that to connect to those actor or use case, or we can also have our common nodes connect to multiple elements. Those elements not limited for only one type. It can be the both the actor or use case. So we will also use this to share to you the different type of the line. And you can see the differentiation compared to the nodes here in use case diagram compared to the sequence diagram. Here the nodes have our point. So with this the edge and point to the actor or point to the use case, which is not having that in those sequence diagrams so clearly. So let's do this sample. So we are going to create the 2.8, 02, 08. Let's make this star UML and UML, and we put our preview. Then let's see. We can use these 4 keywords to define nodes related to a single object. This object in use case diagram is including the actor or use case. A node can be also defined along with the node keywords. Then with node, then you can have the end node, then linked to other object using this double period symbol. So use this node. We create a node, give this node our alias, and use this alias, and we connect to the object. You can connect from right or connect from left. So that's depending on the direction of your diagram. Now our diagram is by default is from top to down. If we change to from left to right, we will see that difference later. So let's do the testing. So using nodes in use case diagram. And then let's start to define something. So here we have those 4 parts. So we only need to define these 2 with space in the name. So min admin. So we follow this sample as admin. And the user, we just keep that as the user and use the application with this parentheses and as use. So I still don't think we need this pair of parentheses, so we can use that already. And then use ser come to start. So if you don't have parentheses here, then that will be our actor. So let's see. So that is by default is actor. And then with parentheses is use case. So it's this one. Because we only have one single hyphen, so it's our short arrow line, and it's in the horizontal. If I put this left to right direction, then this will be the vertical. So it's depending on this line of the switch. So let's follow the sample first. And then user have a long edge, long the type this arrow line to use we can have this use. So you can see here. So we don't need these parentheses. But now I try to understand this. The guide is use these parentheses. So when we use this alias, then we know is our use case. So that will just improve the usability and the readability. So, but it's not create any difference the meanings. And then admin. So let's see, admin is also go to. We gave our even for the long link. So here admin is higher. And then we can put some nodes. So first, and again, if we switch these on, then this will be by vertical, and these two lines go to the horizontal. So that's just you can try to compare those behavior. And we have a node right off, because for use case diagram, you always have an object name. So not like a sequence diagram, you need to follow those sequence of the message, and on those participate is on the fixed the position. But here is those actor or use case, they can be the dynamic position. So we need to point which object you have the node attached to. So I attach to admin. Then for this admin, we will have a node. But if you just stop here, is nothing happened. You need to have a column. And you see here, once you have a column, is an empty node, but it already have our pointer to your actor. So you don't need our double quotes. So this is an example. It's just our one line nodes. So it's like this way. So it's automatically adjust the size of your diagram. And then you can have the multi-line. So node. Also, we put that. Let's put this to the left of use. So then you should have an end node. Then we create an empty node. So let's see. So if we switch this on, so what this means? We have this right is still right, left still left. So that is the difference, not change this name. So, but we can see here is top of admin. So then this go to here. So, but you only have these four directions. So let's see. Node 10 also be on several lines. So now you have our multi-line. And also here, even this single line, but you can still use a /n to create a multi-line. So that also are the usage we already learned in the sequence diagram. Now we see the third node. Third type is mentioned is we can give a node our definition, or which means give our node our alias and use this alias to connect to the different object through this double period. So let's first define our node. So here is node. This node is connected with /n to several objects. Then with our s keywords, and we got this node 2, so n2. So now we have this node. Then we can have our start with .n2. So start is here. So now we have this n2. So and we let's see. So we can have is our admin. Maybe it's n2 connect to admin. So connect to here. Then let's see here. You see then is because we put is start connect to node, then this node is under that. and mean this node connect to admin, so connect this. Let's say this node N2 also connect to user. So then user from here is they will place that because user is connect to start, so they try to put the node in the middle. And then is if we also have a node, we use user first, use first, then connect to N2. So let's see what's the placement it do. So then they gave another dotted line. So if I put here is difference, so let me put this admin first N2. So you can see here, admin connect to this one from top, start top, and this use top, and this one is looks like a top, but it's actually is through the user. So, but you can leave the PlantUML to give you the automatically the this kind of formatting. So I believe we may have a certain way to do some adjustment. Like it's if you think it's here, I want this will be the different way. So now you can put this user to start longer. Then this they will putting that in this different positioning. Now let's change that to left right. So it's getting this. Let me see the bigger one. So and I make that to the vertical. Then you can see this is the current view. So now it's let's comment this back to this way. So that is the node. Just please remember three type of node. Is one simple single line node. Actually, it's not a single line. It just use one line of the node usage. You still have this /n to define the multi-line. And this is the standard multi-line. Then you can have a node pair with end node. Then you can have any lines. And the third is you can give a node or definition, then use the alias to connect with other objects through this double period. So that is a more rich way to use nodes in use case diagram compared to the sequence diagram, but they are served a different purpose. So I hope as you get this feeling useful, and see you in the next video. We will talk about the stereotypes in use case diagram. Bye for now.